time to do the kid in school. This because it is time. It is time. It is time. It's gonna be a good day. Good day. Good day. It could be a good day. Good day. A good day. It's going to be a good day. Good day. Good afternoon. It's gonna be a good afternoon. Friday, Friday, it's a Friday, it's a Friday. Friday, Friday, it's a Friday. It is Friday afternoon, afternoon, afternoon. It is a Friday afternoon. It is a day of fun, fun, fun. That's because it's a Friday. And pretty soon there'll be a weekend. So today is Friday. Friday, Friday, it is a Friday. It is a Friday. It's a great day to be here on a nice cold day on a Friday at school. And I'm not doing that much right now because I don't want to. Cause I am a teacher and I don't want to take a long day of school. Cause I'm that kind of teacher. So yes, I have some young kids, some older kids, and some young kids and some older kids. That's what it is all about. Oops. So this is almost the day end of a school. Just singing today. So I could get a little bit ready. Cause I want to. And I have to. Yeah. So see you guys later. Bye.